Allow me to introduce you to one of the latest, most effective advancements in medical science, StemWave. This incredible device is the result of many years of research and development and is changing the game for medical providers everywhere. StemWave works by creating a spark in water, which generates powerful, targeted acoustic waves that penetrate deep into the tissue. These waves work at a cellular level to generate a variety of different biological responses, such as alleviating pain, decreasing inflammation, and improving range of motion. Now, there have been similar technologies studied all over the world for years, but unlike many others, StemWave is the only device that uses our custom-designed cellular response technology, or CRT for short. CRT makes it easier to target areas of pain, speed up treatment times, and get real results. How? Well, the acoustic waves emitted by StemWave create a uniquely large and powerful area of treatment inside the tissue, which is known as the focal zone. StemWave's focal zone is as much as 2 to 3 times larger than some competitors. Plus, the levels of energy within the zone can be as much as 5 to 10 times more powerful in regards to peak energy output. In other words, StemWave makes it easy to find pain and get results in a matter of minutes. This is where our cellular response technology comes into play. Patients don't feel much over non-injured areas, but once an area of injury, damaged tissue, or inflammation is hit, the patient feels it. This isn't painful, but patients will feel the power behind the device as the waves hit a precisely targeted area. And because the patient can actually feel the area of treatment, they're able to clearly communicate back to the provider where to focus, making treatments targeted and effective. This is known as patient-driven biofeedback. With over 25 levels of power, StemWave is able to meet patients at every stage of pain without anesthetics or numbing cream of any kind. Plus, StemWave's flexible membrane design easily contours over soft tissue, joints, and bone. This treatment versatility makes it effortless to help a larger group of those living with pain by addressing a variety of different patient cases. This includes areas of treatment like shoulders, knees, feet, hands, lower back, and more. In most cases, patients report a sense of improvement in just the first visit. Over an entire care plan, patients who qualify report over 80 to 90% improvement, measured by increased range of motion and decreased pain. This is why StemWave has become one of the fastest growing medical device companies in the industry, and why patients all over the country are seeking out StemWave as an alternative solution for their pain. But don't take my word for it. Listen for yourself.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, oh, this is gonna change my life. Oh my gosh, that's really amazing.
Are you kidding me? Good, yeah. I was like, what? Oh, good stuff, man. Are you kidding me?
Holy cow is right. That's amazing.
It's crazy.
Makes me really happy.
Yeah, me too. I mean, it's pretty insane.
That's about 300% better.
Amazing.
That's more accurate.
Don't you think? I mean, yeah, right?
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, what a big difference.
Since having StemWave done, it's awesome.
I'm just amazed.
StemWave Therapy, and it seems to be working. It's great.
This was the answer to my healing process that I've been searching for. I have no pain. When I walk, finally I got some resolution to this situation here.
It's our mission to improve the quality of living around the world by making StemWave the leading solution for those living with pain.